So you might be in a situation where for some reason your Apple Pay just keeps on declining. So maybe no matter what you're doing, whether you're sending money or you're using your credit card, whatever the case is, you might be running into this type of problem. Now, number one, the very first thing I'd recommend doing here is just making sure that your card is fully compatible and fully connected to your wallet application. So open up your Apple Wallet app that you have just like this, and you want to take a look at your particular credit card. Now, if your credit card is not even connected or if it's not properly connected, go through and connect your credit card to your particular iPhone or repair your credit card to your iPhone. That is kind of one of the main ways to go and fix this problem. So just go through, try doing that, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem. And like I mentioned, that's probably the first thing that's recommended to do it. You may also want to see if you have that credit card, the information you inputted was correct, if all that was right, because if it is, then you're pretty much good to go there. Now, another thing you might want to try doing here too is you might want to just try going through and updating your iPhone. So make your way over into your iPhone settings, click on General, click on Software Update, and all you're going to want to do here is basically just software update your device. This is another one of those really important things that you might be able to do to basically fix this problem as well. So just go right into here, try updating this particular phone, and you want to see if that ends up fixing it. And if that doesn't end up doing it, you might want to contact your credit card or your bank provider and just make sure there's no issues with their servers or with their situation right now. Because sometimes there can be some random issues that are going on, and sometimes all you're going to have to do is just contact and call your particular credit card company, and that could very well end up fixing the problem for you as well. So those are kind of the main ways to go and fix it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, till then.